Welcome to World in Contrast, where we explore how cultures across the globe interpret similar ideas in fascinatingly different ways. But these aren't just the fluffy stacks you know. Today, we're diving into something we all love: pancakes. Pancakes have been around for centuries. The first recorded pancake dates back to 5th century Greece, where ancient poets like Cratinus and Magnus wrote about Teganites, flat cakes cooked on a griddle. In medieval Europe, pancakes became popular as a way to use up rich ingredients like eggs and milk before Lent. Across cultures, pancakes have taken on many forms and cooking styles. In India, the traditional fire stove, or chulha, is often used to prepare flatbreads and pancake-like dishes. In rural villages, pancakes often take on simpler forms, reflecting local ingredients and traditions. In some regions, flatbreads or pancake-like creations are cooked in ceramic pots over wood fires, blending techniques passed down through generations. Did you know that pancakes were also considered a symbol of good luck? Flipping a pancake without dropping it was believed to bring prosperity for the year. Pancakes aren't just for breakfast. They're a star in pop culture too. Remember Rapunzel flipping pancakes in Disney's Tangled? Or the iconic pancake breakfast scene in Pulp Fiction? Pancakes have fans across history and the world. Elvis Presley was known to enjoy pancakes with peanut butter and bananas. And Queen Elizabeth II was famously gifted pancake mix by President Dwight D. Eisenhower and had her own pancake recipe. With eggs, milk, and flour, a humble pancake comes to life, offering endless possibilities. Around the world, pancakes evolve into vibrant and unexpected forms that reflect local flavors and traditions. In the United States, pancakes are an iconic breakfast food. They're thick, fluffy, and often served with a drizzle of maple syrup. The key? Baking powder gives these pancakes their signature rise, and butter makes them rich and satisfying. Cross the Atlantic to France, and you'll find crepes. These delicate, paper-thin pancakes can be sweet or savory. Made without a leavening agent, they're perfect for wrapping around fillings like fresh fruit, chocolate, or even ham and cheese. In Ethiopia, pancakes take the form of injera. Made from teff flour, injera has a spongy texture and a slightly sour taste, thanks to fermentation. It's more than just a dish, it's a plate. Meals are served directly on top of injera, making it a key part of Ethiopian dining. Let's head to Japan, where soufflé pancakes are light, airy, and irresistibly jiggly. They're made with whipped egg whites, giving them a cloud-like texture that melts in your mouth. In Russia, pancakes are known as blinis. These small, delicate treats are traditionally served during Maslenitsa, a festival celebrating the end of winter. Blinis are often paired with sour cream, smoked salmon, or even caviar for a luxurious twist. Pancakes also take on some strange and wonderful forms. In Southeast Asia, Pandan pancakes are bright green, thanks to pandan leaf's natural color and flavor. Meanwhile, Japan offers black pancakes made with squid ink, a savory twist that surprises many first-timers. But surprisingly, pancakes aren't universal. In regions like parts of sub-Saharan Africa or remote Pacific islands, you're more likely to find flatbreads, such as chapati flatbread, instead of traditional pancakes that is made over an open flame. When it comes to breaking records, pancakes deliver. The largest pancake ever made was over 49 feet in diameter and weighed more than 6,000 pounds. Imagine trying to flip that. In many countries, pancakes are more than just food. They're part of traditions. From India's dosa to rustic village flatbreads and wood-fired creations in ceramic pots, pancakes are more than just food. They're a testament to cultural ingenuity and the enduring legacy of a dish we all love. Thanks for joining us on this delicious and fascinating journey. Which pancake story surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into how our world contrasts and connects.